Hey, today I'm super excited to show you Palette Desktop, a solution we've been working on for a while, and it's something we use internally to build Palette. So Palette Desktop is basically a way to work with Claude Code. It came as a need because I think Claude Code in the terminal was a little bit hard for us as a team to fully adapt. And there didn't really seem to be solutions out there that really made it easy for knowledge workers to utilize all the power that you get from Claude Code. So it's a desktop app that you can use on Mac, Windows, hopefully coming soon as well. And basically it's a lot like the experience you're used to from chat. You have your chat window, you can ask questions, etc. You can work from a folder, as you might be used to as well. That could be a local folder, it could be Google Drive. You have a lot of cool stuff that we built on top. I can go through that in a minute. Whenever you start with Palette Studio, you open a folder, and the way Palette works is that you can add sessions. A big thing that we hear is that when you work on collaborative folders in Google Drive, etc., making changes can be a bit daring as you're changing directly in those files, and it's a shared file. So a session is basically a sandbox you create, and then you can do all the changes you want. And once you're done, you can basically save those changes, and it's then updated in the folder. You can have multiple sessions as well, so if you want to try out different stuff, then you go nuts. As you are inside a session, you can create multiple chats, meaning that you don't need to sit and wait for an answer to be done. It could be maybe some research being conducted, a competitor analysis, and while you wait for that, you're not stuck waiting. You can just create a new chat and work on that while this one finishes. So I think that's awesome and a great time saver as well. Another great benefit of Palette is that it's agnostic, meaning that you can have Claude models, but you could also use Codex, meaning that if next month the best model is no longer Claude for the type of work you do, then you can just switch it. You're not bound to any of these LLM providers. Same goes with the model. You could have, use a model like Sonnet here or Haiku in another one if you want to save on tokens and it's a smaller task. Other cool stuff, you have your actions that is a part of this folder, easily browsable. You have your history of what has happened inside the folder. We have something called references that's really cool. If you have several folders in your team or your company, then you can reference another folder and Claude automatically has access to those as well. So your folder can work together with these folders. We have templates that we're working on. You can go in and you can, download skills like a competitor analysis if you need that. We have released our go-to-market OS that you could utilize yourself, more coming soon. And then of course you have the organizational context as well. So as you sync with Palette, the context layer, if you utilize that, then basically all your organizational knowledge and memory is shared into whatever session you're in, ensuring that Claude is not just a stranger, it knows everything that's going on in your team and your organization. So we can do a lot of other demos on this. There's more functionality and a lot more coming soon, but I thought I'd just share a quick overview of how it works. Let me know if you want to see some other examples, and write in the comments if you have questions. You can click on the link and you can sign up today. And try it out and please share all your feedback. We are super excited about it. There's tons of cool things here, like if you have let's see what I have here that I'm actually allowed to share. If you have a HTML file as an example, let's see, Vision pitch deck, you can open it and write, so you don't need to open the browser as well. So it's a great way to work. We use it all the time. and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.